In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook. Highlighting is a quick way to draw attention to key points in your emails, and the Outlook desktop app makes it simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through selecting your text, choosing a highlight color, and removing it when you're done, all while keeping things clear and efficient. Start by opening a new email or replying to an existing one in the Outlook desktop app. Click into the message body, then select the text you want to highlight by clicking and dragging your cursor across it. The highlighting tool only works on selected text, so make sure you've included exactly what you want to emphasize. When you release the mouse, you should see a mini toolbar appear right above your selection. On that mini toolbar, look for the text highlight color icon. It looks like a marker pen. Click it to apply the default highlight color immediately, or click the small arrow next to it to open more color choices. Pick the color you prefer, and Outlook will place a colored background behind your selected text. This is different from changing the font color. Highlighting keeps the text color the same and adds a bright background for emphasis. If the mini toolbar doesn't appear for you, not to worry. With your text still selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Find the text highlight color tool, the same marker icon, then click the arrow next to it to open the color palette. Choose your preferred color, and the highlight will be applied just the same. If you change your mind or need to clean things up, removing the highlight is just as straightforward. Select the highlighted text again, open the text highlight color menu, and choose no color. That will clear the background and return your text to normal. And if the highlight tool seems to stay active, meaning every new drag continues to highlight, press the escape key to stop the tool from staying active and return your cursor to regular editing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.